来听一下郑丽文是怎么回答给这一道英语问题的听一下。
Have you made that
However-
request?
Hmm?
Have you made that request?
Well, I do, but
听到吗？其实那个外国的那个主持人就问到，Have you made that request yet? Have you made that request yet? OK， 就是你提出那个要求了吗 ？OK， 然后郑丽文就回答 ，Yes, of course I do. 当然我有 ，OK， 是这样回答吗？你听人家怎么问的 ？Have you? OK， 那你就回答 OK，Yes, I have。没有呢 ？No, I haven't。OK， 同样的 OK。如果你什么时候才回答 do 呢 ？OK， 如果人家问你 OK，Do you make love every night？ 你每晚都有草荒吗？如果有，每晚都有 OK，Yes I do。如果没有 No I don't。OK， 如果人家问你 OK，Have they finished the project yet？ OK， 他们工程 OK 已经完成了吗？如果 Yes，Have they 嘛 ？Yes they have。No they haven't。还有呢，就是OK， 如果问 OK， 你问人家问你的父母有没有煮饭的 ？Do your parents cook？ 如果有 ，Yes they 两个人嘛 ，Yes they have。Yes they do， 对不起 ，OK，Do your parents 第二问听 ，Do your parents cook？Yes they do。No they don't。OK， 同样的问他们有没有Do they cook？Yes they do。No they don't。Do they drive？ 会驾车吗？Do they swim? Do they speak English? Yes, they do. No, they don't. 如果换成是女孩子一个人 ，OK， 你父亲 ，OK， 有没有抽烟的，或者煮饭，或者是会不会驾车 ？OK，Does your father smoke? Does your father cook? Does your father 那个 swim? Yes, he 孩子一个孩子蛮难 ，Yes, he does. No, he doesn't。如果问你的母亲有没有洗碗碟了，有没有这个习惯？Does your mother do the dishes? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. 很简单，你问家，你听人家问 Have you？ 你就回答 Yes, I have. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. 人家问你 Do you？ 你就回答 Yes, I do. No, I don't. 就这么简单了。OK， 问 Have you 用的是英文 tense 呢 Present Perfect Tense。如果问 Do you？ 用的是Simple Present Tense OK， 请打赏一下，谢谢大家支持。Hold the line, speak with me。